sound of someone sighing deeply. You know, they say you are what you eat. Well, judging by the size of my cat, he must have eaten a smaller, slightly less lazy cat. I swear, this little furball's only two hobbies are napping and demanding snacks. Like right now. Look at him. He's just staring at me. It's not a look of love, people. It's a look that says, human, my food bowl is only 98% full. Do you want a rebellion on your hands? His vet called him pleasantly plump. I call him a furry little potato. But hey, at least he's a cute potato, right? Just don't tell him I said that. His ego is already big enough to have its own gravitational pull.